This automation uses a webhook-driven AI agent to process appointment requests. The AI agent identifies an intent and triggers backend tools to check availability, create, update, or cancel appointment. All interactions are logged and conversation memory is maintained for continuity. It is a full event-driven, auditable appointment orchestration system. In this demo, an AI bot acts as a clinic agent.
Welcome to Tech Clinic.
Hello, I want to book an appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. May I have your full name, please?
Asad,
Thank you, Assad. And could you please provide your phone number?
it's 123-876-21.
Just to confirm, your phone number is 123-87621, correct?
Yes, correct.
Great, thank you. Now, when would you like to schedule your appointment? Please specify a date and time.
Wednesday at 1 p.m.
I see. Just to confirm, you want to book an appointment on Wednesday at 1 p.m. UTC plus 3, correct?
Yes, correct.
The requested time slot on Wednesday at 1 p.m. is available. Would you like me to book the appointment with Dr. A at that time?
Yes, please. It is confirming that the
Great. Could
slots
you
is
please
available.
provide your email address? It's optional. And a short note for the reason of your visit.
A short note is fever I have.
Thank you. So you have fever. Do you wish to provide your email address? It's optional.
Leave it. No need for the email. The
Sorry, a few more
appointment has
seconds.
been created.
All right.
Okay.
Your appointment is confirmed for Wednesday at 1 p.m. with
And
Dr. A.
also added
Your
in the
appointment
schedule.
ID is APT MKM1X7S4KQPQ. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out.
And it provides the No, thank appointment you. ID. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye. Have a great day.
Now it's for the
Welcome to
update
Tech
the
Clinic.
request. Hello, I want to update my appointment.
Sure, I can help you with that. Could you please provide your appointment ID? If you don't have it, your phone number will be fine.
Yeah, my phone number is 123-87621.
Thank you for providing your phone number. Could you let me know the new preferred date and time for your appointment?
Wednesday 3 p.m.
Just to confirm, you want to reschedule to Wednesday at 3 p.m. UTC plus 3, correct?
Yes, correct. The booking has been updated on the calendar
Just a
as
moment.
well
Let
as
me log all
in
this
the
information for you.
sheet. Thank you.
Sorry, a few more seconds. All set. Your appointment is now updated and everything is logged. If there's anything else you need, just let me know. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. So it's
You're
confirmed
welcome.
all
Goodbye
the things.
and have a wonderful day.